We don't always use our vehicles in the cleanest environments, but protective floor mats, along with seat covers, are great products to keep your interior in like new condition. They take the brunt of mud, dust, and snow, so your nice carpet doesn't have to. Automakers typically offer floor mats as a factory option, but going with third-party providers can often save you money. To choose from, there are a variety of 5 best car floor mats for your ride, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put together a list of the 5 best car floor mats for your ride from reliable businesses to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered how beneficial these items are for people like you. Check out my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Let's start the video now without further ado. Number 1. Armor All-Season Car Floor Mats. If you're looking for a basic high-quality, all-season car floor mat with a universal fit, these are an excellent choice. Made from thick molded rubber, a few color options are available, with black, gray, and tan to match interior upholstery. For vans and SUVs, a matching rear cargo liner is also in stock. Made by Armor All, a company that has been in business for more than 50 years, the mats feature deep treads, durable construction designed to prevent cracking and curling, plus a trim-to-fit perimeter to customize fit. The mats are also available in 2- and 3-piece sets and in lighter and heavier weights. If the consumer finds the mat unsatisfactory under normal conditions, Armor All also offers a refund policy up to 60 days after purchase. Number 2. Motor Trend FlexStuff Car Floor Mats. These floor mats from Motor Trend can handle mud, leaves, and other tough debris to keep stains and water off your car's carpet. Plus, they hose down well for easy cleaning. There are also plenty of color options, including blue, red, and dark brown. The deep center section is designed to trap all the muck, and despite their heavy-duty construction, the universal fit mats are made from soft rubber, so they're still trim to fit. Rubber teeth on the underside will hold them in place too. One thing, although the manufacturer promises the mats to be odorless, some customers have noted a pungent rubber smell after purchasing. Number 3. Oxgard Tactical Car Floor Mats. The quality and durability of these rubber car floor mats is considerably higher than the option above, reflected in the price point. They're also from Oxgard, and while they're considered custom fit, you can trim them along the prefabricated lines to contour to your car's footwells. The mats are waterproof and stain-resistant, with rubber grippers on the bottom and deep traction grooves on top to collect water and mud and prevent slipping. They're available in beige and gray in addition to black, and airing them out prior to use is suggested to dissipate the rubber odor. Number 4. FH Group Car Floor Mats. These universal fit rubber car floor mats feature tall outer ridges to prevent water from leaking onto your footwell's carpet, and they're a customer favorite, with an average 4.5 stars from more than 10,000 reviewers. However, the gripped treads are definitely not as deep as some other options. The mats are waterproof and stain-resistant, plus they have heavy nibs, so they won't slide around. There are a handful of 2-color options available, with bright hues and neutrals on the heel pad and a contrasting black border. Number 5. Motor Trend 2-Tone Car Floor Mats. Call us crazy, but we're geeking out over these car floor mats because they have definite Star Wars or Marvel Cinematic Universe vibes. They are designed at Motor Trend's headquarters in Los Angeles, so there's that. There are also plenty of guidelines to assist in cutting. In addition to their super cool style, they do a great job at keeping your car's footwell clean, with rubberized nibs on the back to prevent them from sliding around, plus ergonomic grooves on top that trap water and other debris and help keep feet comfortable. Like the previous Motor Trend mats, some customers report a distinct rubber smell when new. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up to speed with our innovative items, since they will make your life more simpler.